Which hairstyle suits me or you? So you're probably searching for the hairstyle that suits you or suits me, and that's what I'm talking about today. Hairstyles really are about how you feel about yourself, what kind of style do you have, how confident are you, what hair type do you have. Everything factors in to the hairstyle that suits you best. A lot of times, and in my experience as a hair professional for over 30 years, I've noticed that people try to choose a hairstyle that doesn't really suit them. One, because their hair type. If you've got like really wiry hair, actually check this out. I've got this mannequin right here. If you have super coily hair like this, and you want your hair to be silky smooth and straight like this, chances are it's probably not going to happen unless you get a number of procedures and chemical processes and all sorts of stuff to change the hair texture to go from this super coily to pin straight like this. Okay, that's the only way it's going to happen. So will this hairstyle suit you? Possibly, but if you don't have the proper hair type, that's the first thing you have to understand. And I get so many questions, Salon Guy, which haircut suits me, and can I send you photos and all sorts of stuff? And my best reaction or response is, what suits the hair type you have? A lot of times, you may have dry hair, frizzy hair, super wavy hair, coily hair, like damaged hair, whatever it is, and you want a certain hairstyle. You have to just use common sense and be like, well, my hair is not that. It's not that texture. So it's probably not going to suit me because my hair doesn't do that. So you have to really give yourself and your hair a self-analysis to really, really understand your hair type, your specific hair type, and that is what is going to really help you find the hairstyle that suits you. You need to embrace your natural hair texture. Then you can start to focus on what is going to suit me best style-wise. That's like there's different layers to this. There's understanding your hair type, then the style that suits you. Do you want to have hair that is a bit longer, right? That you want to do, maybe a middle parting like this. You want to have some wave to it. You want to have some texture. Do you want it to be, a lot longer? Do you want it to be a lot shorter? This hairstyle, for example, very different than the last one because now we've got a much shorter sides and back, but it tapers, it's like a low taper, and then we've got some length throughout the top here and some layering going on. This was done on fully straight hair. This is 100% straight hair, but I was able to achieve this look because of using my products like Tidal Wave, my sea salt spray, my #1 best-selling product right here, and then also my diffuser that comes with my blow dryer. And I scrunched the hair. The layering allowed the hair to have more freedom and movement. Will this type of hairstyle suit you? It depends. Like, you can have perfectly straight hair and achieve this look. You can have wavy hair and achieve this look. You can have curly hair and achieve this look. It all comes down to, does the overall look really look good on you? And will your hair type support it? Clearly, this is a lot shorter into here. If you have hair texture that just gets really wiry, you don't like, it sticks out a lot, then you can also go with a shorter style to tame that down and then leave the length where you need the length to be to really make sure that you're getting the right look, okay? A lot of these haircuts can get botched up. I've seen these, crime scenes on people, unfortunately, but it all depends on, again, the hair type and the hair texture. Something like this, the super, popular TikToker hairstyle, will this suit you? Well, it depends. Like, do you want to have a lot of hair on the top of your head? Do you want to feel like it's very, very fluffy? Is this the kind of style you're going for? This possibly could suit you as long as you have the proper hair type. Like, this is usually done on, straight hair. It could be thick hair. It could be finer hair as far as the texture goes. But will this suit you? It depends on you. If you do have the hair type and you do have maybe like an oval face shape and everything is perfectly symmetrical, then yeah, this could totally suit you. It just depends on you communicating with your hair professional. And then they need to confirm, like, yes, your hair can absolutely do this. So you could show pictures to your hair professional and just ask them like, hey, will this hairstyle suit me? Do I have the right hair type? Do I have the right hair texture? Ask those questions, because unfortunately nowadays, I'm seeing a lot of these videos on social media to where the barber themselves is actually asking the client, oh, do you know what a low taper is? Do you know what this is? Do you know what graduation is? Do you know what layering is? And it's like, you shouldn't be asking them for definitions. You should just be explaining to them what's going to work best on them, based off of what they want. So it gets so complicated sometimes. But yes, this haircut can suit you as well. And let's just say on like a woman's haircut, are specific types of layers going to suit you, right? Is a shorter hairstyle like this going to suit you? If you've got like a somewhat longer face and you want the hair really, really high like this, and you've got a longer face, it's going to just elongate everything, right? Or if you have something where you want to cover up like this, the corners maybe, you don't like how you're rounded your cheeks maybe, then it could be the right haircut for you. But in some situations, you may have to actually adjust the haircut itself to accommodate or to camouflage certain things. Like you're not going to get a haircut that exposes your whole side of your face when you're self-conscious about something on your face here. Or maybe you've got your cheek, you've got more width throughout here. Well, guess what? You're not going to wear a hairstyle that just makes your hair all out like this, right? You're going to want to make sure you have something to kind of camouflage that. So the haircut that's going to suit you is what's going to be best based off of your face shape, based off of your hair texture, and all of those things combined. Now, one thing that is going to help you out, whether you're a male or female, doesn't matter. I created 2 separate ebooks. They're PDF ebooks, and they're $10 each. They're so cheap. They're cheaper than your haircut. What I've created is these ebooks to help you understand the different haircut shapes, because it's very, very important, and it could help you get better haircuts. Because in these ebooks, I explain this is the best hair shape for your face shape. And, the men's one is about 17 pages, and the women's one is probably, I think, 28 pages or something. Really, really in-depth. Even if you're a hair professional, you can find these helpful. But if you're a client and you want to understand hair cutting a bit better, it's not going to teach you how to cut hair. It's going to teach you how to understand haircuts so that you can potentially be using the right verbiage when you go in to get your haircut. Again, it's only $10 each. So I wanted to make it very affordable, and I'm really excited about that. You can buy them right here in my YouTube store. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I'll see you soon.